How does food act as information for your DNA? Imagine your body as a complex computer system where food is like the software that tells your hardware how to operate. It's not changing your genetic code directly but influencing how your genes work. This process is called epigenetics, and it's a key part of understanding how lifestyle choices impact health. When you eat, nutrients and bioactive compounds interact with your DNA through chemical modifications. These modifications act like switches, turning genes on or off or adjusting their activity levels without changing the actual DNA sequence. One major way food influences gene activity is through DNA methylation. Think of methyl groups as tiny chemical tags that attach to specific parts of your DNA. Nutrients like folate, vitamin B12, choline, and methionine supply these methyl groups or support the enzymes that add them. When these nutrients are adequate, they help keep gene activity balanced, especially during important times like pregnancy when the developing baby's genes are being programmed. If these nutrients are lacking, gene regulation can become disrupted, which might lead to health issues later in life. Another way food acts as information is through histone modification. Histones are proteins around which DNA is wrapped. Certain foods contain compounds that influence enzymes responsible for adding or removing chemical groups on these histones. For example, compounds in broccoli, turmeric, berries, and green tea can modify histones, making DNA more or less accessible for gene expression. This process can turn genes on or off depending on what your body needs at the time. Dietary patterns also play a role by affecting the enzymes that control these epigenetic marks. Eating too much processed food or unhealthy fats can alter DNA methylation patterns linked to diseases like diabetes or heart disease. Conversely, eating more plant-based foods rich in bioactive compounds can promote healthier gene activity. From a holistic health perspective, understanding this connection shows how nutrition is a powerful tool to support your genetic health. Proper intake of nutrients that support epigenetic mechanisms can help maintain balanced gene expression, potentially preventing chronic illnesses. For example, ensuring enough folate and B vitamins supports DNA methylation, while eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables supplies compounds that influence histone modifications. It's also important to recognize that what you eat during pregnancy can influence your child's gene expression long-term. Proper nutrition during this critical time can help set the stage for healthier development. Avoiding processed foods and focusing on nutrient-dense options helps support healthy epigenetic regulation for everyone. In essence, food provides the raw materials and signals that guide how your genes are expressed. It's like giving your body the instructions it needs to function optimally. By choosing foods that support these natural epigenetic processes, you can help your body stay resilient and healthy over time.